That's right, folks. The time is now. If you're a Bitcoin lover, this is the place to be. We are just getting started, so let's go have some great conversations. Okay, I am here with Michael and Magdalena. Magdalena, you look adorable. How are you guys doing today?
Amazing, great event here. We are really excited to be here. I'm really impressed about the size. We've been to the Bitcoin conference in Abu Dhabi in December, and it was just like a portion of this. So we've been able to make amazing connections, and we're looking forward what else is coming.
Yeah. Amazing. And when did you guys first invest in Bitcoin?
Back in 2019. Yeah, it was something I started looking into. Actually, somebody had introduced me to Bitcoin in 2013. I went to this guy's house. He had some miners inside his house, just really small. I was like, what are those on the shelf over there? He started telling me about them. I kind of thought, well, I'll check into that later. And then later, happened to come later in 2019, I was like, I better do something. Something clicked, and I was like, ooh, Bitcoin's starting to make some moves here, so I need to check into that some more.
Have you ever thought about mining Bitcoin yourself?
Yes, for sure.
Yes?
Yes.
One day, maybe?
Well, I've bought a little bit.
Okay.
So, yeah, I started buying some just a few years ago, and then I do a little dollar cost averaging, right? Buy a little bit more ever periodically.
Yeah. And who's checking the Bitcoin price on their phone more every day? Which one of you guys?
This is definitely he. He's more like into buying and trading and advising me what to buy. I'm more interested about the ecosystem around it and about blockchain. I'm building right now a non-profit on the blockchain. I want to be the most transparent non-profit so that everyone can see like where the transactions are going and where the donations are going. So this is quite a stretch, but we're getting there.
That's amazing. Congratulations. And where do you see Bitcoin fitting into the financial system in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, it's definitely a store of value, right? I mean, you have MicroSaylor, MicroStrategies, now Strategy, and you have a lot of other companies that are going to create Bitcoin Trust. There's hundreds of billions of dollars that are pouring into the market now. Many states throughout the United States are starting to create some type of a trust so they can hold Bitcoin. And then you're seeing Saudi Arabia and large companies that are going to be overseas that are also going to be buying Bitcoin. So I think it's going to be around for a very long time, and the trajectory is looking good.
Yeah. And what's one piece of advice that you would give someone who's new to the Bitcoin world?
Yeah, I think just learning about it, do your own due diligence, study about it a little bit. It's a form of value that, you know, people back in biblical times would trade different things and barter. And you can do the same thing with Bitcoin, right? You can use it to buy stuff, trade and barter with. So I think that's going to be a great thing for the future.
Yeah, amazing. We're in it for the long run. And so, Magdalena, do we have a beautiful dress planned for every day this week?
Yes, absolutely.
What's tomorrow's dress look like?
It's going to be probably a silk golden dress. I'm European, so I dress like this.
Comes with the territory.
If you like the content, please like and subscribe. It really does help. Thanks.